What's up everybody? I hope that you're having a wonderful day. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Rebecca and here on My Only Fresh, I share fun, quick recipes to help you live a better life. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make juice in a blender. You don't really need a juicer to make juice. It is a little easier, but you can use any blender to make a delicious green juice, and I'm gonna show you how to do just that. All right, so for this juice, you'll need your blender, a strainer. I have a whole bunch of organic spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, and 2 cups of frozen mangoes. Because I'm making this in the blender, I'm gonna use frozen fruit. That way the juice is nice and cold and refreshing, and I can enjoy it right away. So I've already washed my spinach and the cucumber. The spray that I use is the vegetable spray from Sprouts, and I'll be sure to link that down below. And just a little tip, this is, like I said, organic spinach. When I buy my produce, I always try to follow the Dirty Dozen and the Clean 15. It's just a guide to let you know which fruits and vegetables have more pesticides in them. I'm also gonna put a little bit of water in with these ingredients. It helps just mix everything up. All right, so first I'm just gonna put a little bit of water. Now cut the cucumber into about 2-inch pieces like this. All right, now I'll put the lemon. Make sure you cut all the skin off the lemon, that way your juice doesn't taste bitter. And you should try to, if you can, leave a lot of the white fleshy part of the lemon. There's a lot of nutrients in there. My voice is really dry today. Okay, so we put that in there. And then after that, I'll add the frozen mangoes. Alright, so I am going to start by blending all of this up first just to make some extra room for the spinach, and I will end up adding a little bit more water so everything blends up easily. The blender that I'm using is a Ninja blender, and it does come with 3 other sizes of like pitchers. This is the one that I use for pretty much everything. I'll link it down below. Alright, so you do want to make sure that you blend up the ingredients really well, that way it's easier for you to strain it. And I'm sure you're thinking like, what's the point of this? Why not just make a smoothie? You don't have to do all this mess. And smoothies are good, they are very beneficial for you. But when you drink a juice, the nutrients go straight to your cells and you bypass the digestion system, which allows you to absorb those nutrients faster. Alright, so I am going to do you guys a favor and speed this part up. This is the most time-consuming part of making juice in your blender, but it is definitely doable, definitely possible. Doable, possible, same thing. you can do it. A metal strainer is best, but I am tempted to try using a nut bag, like the filter that people use when they make nut milks, when they strain the milk through. I wonder if that would work better. So good. So I made about 600 mLs, that's about 2.5 cups of juice. And it definitely does take a little bit more work to make juice in your blender, but you can absolutely do it. You don't need a juicer to make delicious juice. I am also going to share some smoothie recipes coming up. I do post a video every Tuesday. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Take care. Bye.